Hello, my friends. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all a great cookie recipe. I am a big fan of oatmeal and chocolate chips. So today, I'm going to share with all of y'all some oatmeal chocolate chip cookies from scratch. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these, and they are full of flavor. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also, check out my previous video, Lemon Loaf Cake. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your oatmeal, your chocolate chips, and your cookie sheet sugar, because we're about to bake some oatmeal chocolate chip cookie magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is prep up our dry ingredients. We need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Going to start with 1 cup. Going to fluff it up. And level it off. Voila, perfect cup. Going to pour it into my bowl and sifter. Now we need 1/2 cup. Again, fluff it up. And level it off. And the perfect 1/2 cup. And into our flour, we're going to add in our leavenings, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of table salt. And we're going to sift these together, or you can whisk them if you like. Now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on our wet ingredients. In my stand mixer with the paddle attachment, I have 1 cup, which is 2 sticks, or 16 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature. And into our butter, we're going to add in our sugars, 1 cup of packed light brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white sugar. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy, about 2 minutes. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 2 extra large eggs at room temperature. Going to add them in one at a time, beating after each egg. Add in the last egg and mix this in until it's well blended. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 1/2 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup. The maple syrup is going to change the game of the cookies. Going to give it an extra flavor along with the cinnamon. And mix those in. And make sure you scrape the bowl occasionally. Alright, my friends, now we're going to slowly add in the flour mixture a little at a time. Alright, last of the flour, and mix it in until it's well combined. And be careful not to overmix. Alright, my friends, I am through mixing up my cookie dough, and this is what it looks like. Nice and thick. That looks great. Now it's time to add in our last 2 ingredients, the stars of the show. The oatmeal. We're going to add in 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oatmeal. And the chocolate chips, we're going to add in a 11.5 ounce bag of milk chocolate chips, or you can use the dark chocolate chips or the semi-sweet chocolate chips. And fold these in. Smells good. I can smell the cinnamon and the maple syrup. These are going to be fantastic and sinful. 2 of my favorites in a cookie. Alright, as soon as I get through folding in my chocolate chips and oatmeal, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, our cookie dough is complete. So all we do now is cover the bowl with some plastic wrap. Now we're going to place it in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill for 1 hour. Alright, my friends, our cookie dough is nice and chill. Perfect. Now we are ready to scoop them in the cookies. So we're going to use my cookie scoop and we're going to scoop a dollop like so. Just like that. And we're going to scoop it on the 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that are lined with parchment paper. Alright, as soon as I get through with the rest of my cookies, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I've got all my cookies together. Now we are ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to let them bake for about 13 minutes. And I'll bring you back. My friends, I smell freshly baked cookies. I just taken them out of the oven. See how nice and golden brown they are? Oh, it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. So now I'm going to let the cookies rest in the pan for 5 minutes and then I'll place them onto my cake stand. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. Doesn't that look good? Oh, I can't wait to dig in. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I have fixed me up a plate, and of course, can't have cookies without a good old glass of cold milk. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Beautiful brown on the bottom. Have a bite. Look at that texture. Soft and chewy. The chocolate chips is gooey. And I can taste the oatmeal. And the flavors are perfectly layered. These cookies are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Oatmeal chocolate chip cookie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.